Alright guys, so you want to start out with a hot wok. You want to go ahead and add your oil. And I have 4 eggs here. I'm going to go ahead and cook. Alright, I'm going to take those off, put them into my container. I'm going to let the pan get hot again. And the thing about stir fry, guys, you want to make sure you have all your ingredients right here beside you, because cooking stir fry is really a fast process. So now that my pan is smoking again, I'm going to go in with my shrimp. I'm going to cook those shrimp up. The key is heat, because you don't want your shrimp to steam. You want it to stay hot. Alright, these shrimp are cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and take these shrimp off. So now I'm going to go in with 1½ cup of onions, some green onions, and garlic, and my bean sprouts. And I'm going to fry those up. Alright guys, so now I have 3 cups of rice here. I'm going to go in with my rice. And I'm just going to let my rice get a little bit hot before I go in with my peas and my carrots, because that's really going to cool my pan down. So I'm going to make sure my rice and everything is hot before adding that. I'm going to go in with a little bit more oil, because that rice acts as a sponge and it's going to start soaking all that oil up and really sticking to the bottom of the pan. Alright, so I just tested my rice and my rice is hot. So I'm going to go in with my peas and carrots. And I'm going to mix that in. Now that I have that mixed in, I'm going to go in with my Kikkoman soy sauce. And that's going to bring some salt and some flavor to our rice. And also some color. And I also have some Maggi seasoning. And I'm going to put a few drops of that in as well. I'm going to mix that in. Taste for seasoning. That tastes good. Alright guys, now that that rice has been brought up to temperature, I'm going to go back in with my shrimp and my eggs. And we're going to mix that in. So I'm just going to add some more of that soy sauce in for more of that flavor. And for that authentic Chinese flavor, I'm going to go in with some toasted sesame seed oil. And you want to add this at the end because this oil will burn. So to avoid that burnt taste of the sesame seed oil, you put it in at the end. Alright guys, so we're all finished. And this is how I make my shrimp fried rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!